Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can restore the backup and how you can transfer data on your iPhone 17 Pro. Alright, so as a first method I'll show you how you can transfer the data from your previous device into your brand new iPhone. Then I'll show you how you can restore the backup from the iCloud. Then how to restore from the Mac. And as the last method I'll show you how you can do it from the PC. So let's begin. As you can see, we are doing the setup process. That's the thing that always pops out when you turn on your device for the first time. Now we need to select the region. In my case, I'll select the United States. In here, select your appearance, then click on continue. If you have an iPhone as your previous device, it will appear right in here. That's the easiest method. In my case, I'm using the Android, so I need to click on setup with another device. Now I need to connect to Wi-Fi to go forward, so that's what I need to do. Okay, once you have connected, wait a few seconds. Okay, actually I would tell you that restoring from the Mac and the Windows works practically the same, so in my case I'll show you how you can do it on the Windows. When it comes to the Mac, all you need to do is to connect your device into your Mac. Then if you are connecting for the first time, the phone will ask you, do you want to trust this computer? Simply click on trust, then open the Finder on your Mac, select your iPhone, and then you will have a restore backup function. It will look practically the same, just like in the Windows, so don't worry, I'll show you how to do it on Windows, and I'm sure that you will also do it on the Mac without any problems. Okay, and now select your age range. I'll select the adult. If you want, you can select the Face ID right now. In my case, I want to set it later. If you want, you can create a passcode right now. We also have different passcode options. I'll select the 4-digit version. I will type my password. I'll create a really simple one just for this video. Okay, now we have option to transfer our apps and the data. Our previous device is Android, so select from Android. Now we need to download and move to iOS app from the Play Store. Right in here, simply open it up, type move to iOS to download it. In my case, it's already downloaded, so I'll open up this app, move to iOS. On your iPhone, click on continue. On your previous device, click on agree, click on continue, agree, click on automatically send. If you want, you can connect both devices via cable. If you have a cable that fits, it will require an USB-C to USB-C cable. I don't have a cable that works, so we can always click on continue with Wi-Fi. Alright, now select your iPhone, click on continue. Now type this code in your previous device. Okay. Now both devices should connect to each other. We need to wait a little bit. Okay, now select what data you want to transfer. In here you have a whole list. In my case, I only want the contacts and the messages. And now, once you have selected everything, click on continue. Now everything is being transferred. In my case, it won't take long because, you know, I'm only transferring the messages. If you are planning to copy everything, it's going to take a little bit. So you just need to be patient. Okay, now we need to wait a little. Okay, everything went fine. On our old device, we can click on done, and we won't be needing it anymore. So I'll place it next to me. I will place the iPhone in the middle. Click on continue right now. Now, if you want, you can connect into your Apple account. If you don't have one, you can always click right in here and create it. In my case, I have my account, so I'll log in. First type the mail, then click on continue, and now type the password. Then click on continue. Okay, now I need to type the Apple verification code that has been sent into my other Apple devices, so now I'll type it and I'll see you in a second. Alright, once I have typed my code, I need to click on agree, and as you can see, I'm currently signing in into my Apple account. Again, we need to wait a little. Okay, now click on continue. You can set up your cellular. In my case, I want to do it later. Now we basically have the simple setup process. Now everything has been already transferred successfully, so we just need to go simply through the setup process. I'll show you how we can do it right now in the first method, and others I won't show you that, because, you know, if you want to know how to do it, you'll have it in the first method right now. You can set up the Apple Intelligence if you want. That's the Apple AI. You can turn on priority notifications. If you don't know how to use the Apple Intelligence, for example, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how you can, what things can you do with it. Okay, in here click on continue. Click on continue once again. We have tutorial for the action button and customization of it. For now, I'll click on not now. Okay, you can set up your C right now. I don't want it. Click on continue. Alright, click on get started. And now we are ready to use our device. Okay, that was the first method. Now I'll show you how you can restore the backup from the iCloud. Okay, now the second method, restoring from the iCloud backup. So again, we are doing setup process. Click on from iCloud backup. Now type your mail to log in. It is necessary, so that's what I'm about to do. Okay, then click on continue, and now you need to type your password. Click on continue, and now we'll have to type a code, verification code. So it should come into my old device. If it doesn't, click on resend. Okay, I have typed it, and now we are signing in into our iCloud. Click on agree. Now we need to wait a little until it's done. Okay, now select the backup that you want to restore. In my case, I want this one, so I will select it. Now, again, we need to wait until it loads. Okay, click on continue. And now we just need to simply finish our setup process. If you don't know how to do it, I was showing you that in the first method. So now I will skip it, and I'll go straight into the third option, which will be how to restore the backup from the Mac or PC or laptop with the Windows. Okay, and now let's restore from the Mac or PC. So again, during the setup process, select from Mac or PC this time. And now we need to connect our device into Mac or PC. That has the Apple Devices app. If you are using the Mac, you don't need to have the Apple Devices. On PC, you need to have it. But since you want to restore from the PC, I'm assuming that you already have the Apple Devices downloaded and you have there your backup. Okay, so now I will launch my PC and I'll show you how to do it step by step. Okay, so now we need to connect our phone into PC using the USB-C cable, just like that. And now the app welcomes us, and now select restore from this backup. On the Mac, it's going to look practically the same. You just need to open up the Finder app, connect your iPhone select your iPhone in the Finder, and then you also have option to restore the backup. Okay, now click on continue. Alright, the restore is in the progress, so we need to wait a little. Alright, we can see in the app that the settings has been restored. Click on OK. On your iPhone, swipe up, then type your passcode. Another bar appeared, so once again we need to wait. Alright, now the iPhone says that the restore has been completed. Click on continue, and now we can set the Face ID if you want. Now you can sign in into your Apple account also, or use another device to sign in. That's the last steps that we need to do, and I'm not going to do it right now, because basically that's all that I have wanted to show you. Everything has been restored right now. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.